Kitchen. Thank you for joining me, and today's recipe is from my 4 Seasons Ninja Foodie cookbook, and in there you'll find the full list of ingredients. And if you need any of the equipment that I use during the recipe, then just go over to my website and it'll be linked on my accessories page for you. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And if you're new to Susannah's Kitchen, then subscribe to my channel for new weekly content. I'd love to see some of your creations, so don't forget to add them to my Facebook group and tag me in on my social media platforms. The links are all down below in my description. So I think we've got everything covered. Let's start cooking. Let's make my spring vegetable soup. This is so good. I'm going to start by cooking off my onion and celery. So I want a little bit of spray oil in the bottom of the Ninja. Have it on a sort of medium heat, and in I go with my onion and celery. Now we just want to soften these down slightly because I don't want the rawness in my soup. Once they have softened down a fair amount, I'm going to add in my tomato puree and also my diced up carrots. Next I add in my diced potato. Let's just give that a little stir in. Don't worry quite so much about it sticking and burning on the bottom now, so I can turn up my sear and saute a little bit. The herb I'm going to be using is some dried thyme, so let's get that in. Now with your vegetables, you do want them diced up nice and small like this. One, because it means they're going to cook more evenly and equally. And also it's going to look nice in your soup and not be overly chunky. I'm going to pour over my vegetable stock. I'm adding 2 bay leaves in, and then lastly my orzo. Just going to give that a little stir together, and we're now just going to let that simmer away till everything is tender and cooked. So this has been simmering away, and we're now ready to add the final touch, which is my frozen peas. My spring vegetable soup is so tasty, and by making a basil pesto to go with it, it makes all the difference to the flavour. Let me just show you. Please let me know if you give this recipe a try. I really do hope that you enjoy it. And if you do wish to purchase any of my cookbooks with recipes just like this one, then just head over to my website www.susannaskitchen.uk.